Isa pa, now being loaded, set, ready for racing. Race number 3, racing. Jens is started to hard work classic break, quickly restart, rushing about the outside his plug. Ceremony, so sweet flow joiner. Divine the Grace comes next, then followed by Real Value, Babes Magic. Isa pa, Her Highness. The next online is Doña Venancia, while Boardwalk is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn with Hard Work Classic. Alongside comes Plug Ceremony, then 5 lengths further back in third comes Real Value. Flow Joiner comes next, Divine the Grace. Isa pa, Babes Magic, Doña Venancia, Her Highness second last, while Boardwalk is still racing in last. Back to the leader with Hard Work Classic is still in control by about 3 lengths, and in second is Flag Ceremony, Real Value. Then here comes Babes Magic, now trying to get closer in fourth, and in fifth, isa pa, Divine the Grace comes next, Doña Venancia, Flow Joiner, Her Highness second last, while Boardwalk is still racing in last, and Diana entering the home stretch with Hard Work Classic by only 3 lengths. Then here comes Babes Magic, now trying to get closer in second with about 100 meters of the race. Hard Work Classic followed by Babes Magic. Entering the finish line, it's going to be Hard Work Classic, Babes Magic, and finally Hard Work Classic, Babes Magic. Isa pa, Real Value, Divine the Grace.
Alright, number 1, Hard Work Classic, crossing the wire first, ridden by Archie Manabat. Then masisigunding number 6, Babes Magic. Isa pa, Real Value, Divine the Grace.